Poland's economy has grown a lot in the past few years, which makes it an attractive place to look for work. The country's economy is diverse, with industries like manufacturing, IT, finance, tourism, and so much more. This gives Nigerians a wide range of job options. Poland also offers high salaries compared to other Eastern European countries. To benefit as a Nigerian, you need a work permit and a work visa. But the question remains, what category of work visa do you need? What are the documents requirements of this visa? How do you apply for this visa? Is the visa free? All these questions, and much more, is what this video will cover to start your work journey in Poland, a booming economy for Nigerians seeking for jobs. Welcome to Career Hairdo. Today's topic is all you need to know about relocating to Poland to work. The first thing to note is that in applying for the Poland visa, you don't need to apply through a visa application center, like TLS or VFS as a Nigerian. Please take note, we only said as a Nigerian. You have to book an appointment with the embassy to apply. The embassy for Nigerian citizens is located at 10 River Niger Street, off IBB, off Danube, Maitama Extension, Abuja. But before you think of applying, you need a work permit, issued by an employer. Getting a work permit is essential before applying for a work visa. Your employer typically applies for a work permit on your behalf once they hire you, and then provides it to you, enabling you to proceed with the work visa application. The next question is, how do you get this work permit? Remember, we said it is very essential to your visa application. To do this, you need to search for a job in Poland and be hired. To meet this requirement, here are some popular websites where you can find job listings for positions in Poland. 1. Pracuj.pl. This is one of the largest job portals in Poland. 2. Jobs.pl. This offers a variety of job opportunities across different industries. 3. Goldenline.pl. This combines professional networking with job listings. 4. PL.Indeed. It is a global job search engine with a focus on Poland. 5. Glassdoor.pl. It provides company reviews and salary information along with job listings, and so much more. When applying, remember to tailor your resume and cover letter to each job application for the best chances of success. At this point, we ask, what's the visa application process like? In applying for the Poland work visa, you need to first book an appointment with the embassy in the case of Nigeria. In booking, you must select the national work visa category. This is very important. Please follow this link for detailed instructions on your appointment booking for a work visa. secure.e-consulate.gov.pl/plakauki/189. One general thing you should note about booking an appointment at the embassy online is after you fill in the visa application containing your basic data and the data of the document entitling you to work in Poland, which is the work permit issued by your employer. If the details entered are correct, you will receive an email with a link to complete the full visa application. You will then have only 48 hours to enter your full application. Fill out the application, save it, and print it. If the data is not properly verified, or the full application is not completed within 48 hours, the registration will be cancelled. If there are more than the available places available, the appointment dates will be allocated by electronic drawing. After the draw, you will receive information about its results, and when your application has been selected, you will receive information about the date of the visit. If your application has not been selected in a given pool of shared visits, it goes to the next draw. Appointments are allocated once a week by automated drawing. If your application was selected for interview, you will be informed by email. Registered applications remain valid and take part in drawing in the following weeks, so there is no need to register again. You are required to show up exactly on time. It will not be possible to change the assigned date. Having noted all these, it's important to come along with the following documents to the embassy. 1. A visa application form filled via the e-consulate system, printed and signed. The form is attached to the YouTube description. 2. A 3.5 by 4.5 centimeter color photo. The photo must be sharp taken against a white background and printed on quality paper. 3. Passport issued within the last 10 years, valid for at least 3 months from the expected return date with at least 2 blank pages for visas. 4. A copy of the passport, the page with personal data, and the photo. 5. Copy of flight ticket or flight reservation, including the return flight. 6. Document confirming the possession of travel medical insurance. Travel medical insurance with an insurance amount of no less than €30,000 must be valid for the period of the intended stay of the foreigner on the territory of the Republic of Poland and cover all expenses that may arise during the stay in this territory. 7. A copy of an ID document to confirm legal residence within the consular district of your application. And proof that you have enough means of subsistence in the form decided by the mission. 8. A proof of accommodation, for example, an official invitation, or a hotel booking or reservation. 9. Documents confirming the purpose of your stay in Poland. 10. Copy of work permit. Written information from the future employer about the conditions of employment. 11. Written evidence of contact with the potential employee, verification of his skills, among others. 12. Evidence of the qualifications of the applicant. 13. Any other documents required for the specific job. 14. Documents regarding the family situation of the applicant, marriage or birth certificates. All these documents are what you should come along with to the embassy. Is the visa free? Before we talk about the visa fee. It has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to please subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. The visa fee is €80. The fees must be paid at the office counter when submitting the application. Accepted forms of payment is cash. The visa application fee is non-returnable, whatever the consul's decision. When am I expected to get a decision? The consul will make the decision on the visa within 15 calendar days. If the documents need to be examined in more detail, the consideration period may be extended to 30 days. The decisions can be collected only personally or by a duly authorized person on the date indicated by the consular officer upon submitting your visa application. In the event that the said dates fall on a holiday, the visa decisions will be released on the next working day at the same time. How can Career Hairdo support you? We can assist you in this journey to Poland by applying for jobs for you and helping you ensure all your documents are complete. We will also support you with your appointment booking with the embassy in Abuja. All we will do is to be supportive to see you get to Poland to work and enjoy the benefits Poland has to offer. Interested individuals for this service should please fill the request form below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. Please share this video.